everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're making original Fettuccine Alfredo. Yes, the original one. There's no cream, no nothing, just the butter sauce. And what I have here for the original Fettuccine Alfredo, a good butter, unsalted butter, fresh fettuccine pasta, and the Parmigiano-Reggiano. Parmigiano-Reggiano, you have to get the real one, which is, you can see the print here in the back, and this is the real Parmigiano-Reggiano. And for the fresh pasta, we're gonna bring your water to boil, and we're gonna add a lot of salt in the water. And fresh pasta usually take between 3 to 4 minutes max. So a lot of salt in the water, and we're gonna add the fresh fettuccine in. Now in the meantime, we're gonna work on the cheese. You're probably asking, wow, that's a lot of cheese. Yes, you need a lot of cheese because we're not using any milk or any cream. And yes, you need a lot of cheese. And this is the butter-based, the original Fettuccine Alfredo. So now the pasta almost there. Turn on here, and we're gonna use the butter. And for the butter, we're just gonna melt the butter. Little black pepper. Fettuccine almost ready. Turn off. It's been boiling for almost like 3.5 minutes. Voila. Now I'm gonna turn on the stove here again on the medium, and we're gonna melt the cheese. Voila. As you can see here, the cheese start melting. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit water from the pasta here. It's a little starchy water. Now turn off. It smells so good already. So give it a little mix. Nice, you can see the sauce, the butter sauce, and your Fettuccine Alfredo good to go. And I choose my favorite plate to serve the fettuccine on. Little garnish beside it, and it doesn't hurt, a little bit more Parmigiano on top. Beautiful. Now with the spoon, put the fork in the spoon and roll it. What a different when you use fresh pasta. And so the original Fettuccine Alfredo in a buttery sauce, no cream, no milk, no spices, whatever it is. Very simple, 3 ingredients, and the details, peppers and garnish. So it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.